Okay, we're here at the property located at 216 CLARA VISTA Street in DeBary, Florida. This is located in West Volusia County. Sits right in between the Orlando area attractions and the Volusia County beaches. Let's go ahead and do a pan shot of the front area of the property. All right, let's go ahead and take a walk around the outside of the property, seeing both the front and the backyard. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, single-story home, single-family home, heated square feet, 1,217 square feet of heated living space. Block construction, stucco exterior. Partially fenced backyard, large backyard as you can see. From the shooting of this video, a new roof is going to be installed on this property in about a week's time. As well, a new central heating and AC system is about to be installed on this property in about a week's time as well. This property does sit on well and septic. You'll notice the property does come with a water softener that we're passing right now. Okay, as we're coming around the front of the property, we'll go ahead and make our way in through the front door and take a look at the interior. All right, when we come inside, we're coming into the living room area of the home. You'll notice there's going to be tile flooring all throughout the property. It does have vaulted ceilings, planter shelves over to the left. The kitchen is going to be straight ahead, right behind the wall. Master bedroom is going to be over to the left, as well as the entrance to the 2-car garage. And the other 2 bedrooms and guest bathroom is going to be over to the right-hand side of the property. Let's go ahead and take a look at the master bedroom. As we come into the master bedroom, again, tile flooring all throughout. You'll see the walk-in closet straight ahead. Immediately to the left of that is going to be your private master bathroom. In the main bathroom, you got a single sink, a commode, and a full-size stand-up shower and tub. All right, making our way back out, let's go ahead and take a look at the 2-car garage. Inside the garage, you'll see your hookups for where your washer and dryer will go. You have attic access from here, hot water heater, and your air handler for your heating and AC system will be found in the garage. And again, from the shooting of this video, a new heating and AC system is set to be installed in about a week's time. Let's go ahead and take a look at the other side of the house and start with bedroom number 2. Bedroom 2 is in the front of the house, and it offers a standard closet. And let's make our way over to bedroom 3. Bedroom 3 is in the back of the house, and it also offers a standard size closet. All right, now let's take a peek at the guest bathroom. Single sink, commode, and a full-size shower and tub. Okay, back out into the living room area. We're coming up on your dinette with the sliders that go out to the backyard. And of course your full kitchen with the closet pantry straight ahead. That concludes our video walkthrough tour of the property located at 216 CLARA VISTA Street in DeBary, Florida, located in West Volusia County. This video is brought to you by Dan Lopez of Legends Realty.